Plumes of thick, dark clouds of ash at more than 10 kilometers high from Taal's crater, almost non-stop. What does it mean? Authorities call it lava fountaining.
Sinyales na po yun na nagbago ang ugali ng bulkan. At ngayon po, nakita po natin, nagbago nga yung ugali ng eruption plume, di ba? Hindi na po siya kasing tayo nung kahapon. Medyo mas mababa siya, mas maitim siya. Hindi katulad kahapon, maputi.
Taal Volcano's sudden eruption caught thousands of residents by surprise, forcing them to immediately leave their homes for safety. People in Metro Manila were not spared. The volcano is now under alert level 4, a notch below the highest alert level. Authorities say alert level 5 will be declared if Taal reaches a hazardous explosive eruption stage. This can cause what they call a base surge, or a combination of hot gas and volcanic matter called pyroclastic current moving at very fast speeds. A base surge can cause suffocation and severe burns. This apparently happened during Taal's violent eruption in 1911.
Mabilis po na dalo yan, marami po yung buhangin. So yung effects po niya, kung makikita po natin yung mga puno, para pong binalatan yan. Pag tayo po ay tinamaan na base surge, para po tayo nabundol ng mabilis na sasakyan.
A hazardous explosive eruption can also cause volcanic tsunamis. But experts clarify these are not the same as tsunamis caused by earthquakes. Historically, volcanic tsunamis only reach about 1 to 3 meters high. When will the ashfall stop? Experts say that will depend on Taal's activity. As long as it's spewing ash, there will most likely be ashfall. But the extent of those affected will depend on the height of the ash clouds and wind direction.
Sa kasalukuyan, ang eruption column and steam plume, yung cloud ng abo ay papuntang northeast din. So kaya po mapapansin nyo, walang bumabagsak dito sa Metro Manila. At magandang balita yan pagdating sa operations ng mga eroplano sa NAIA Airport.
Whether or not an explosive eruption will happen remains to be seen. Authorities keep reminding the people volcanic eruptions are unpredictable, and preparedness for any disaster or calamity is the best protection against them. AC Nichols, CNN Philippines.